Jai Bharat. Welcome everyone to Advaita Achievers. Pranam to all of you. As Advaita Achievers believes, Vidyarthi Devo Bhava. So in this segment, we are going to discuss the structure of the skeletal muscle. But before we move on, we will be understanding first the section through the muscle, so which helps us to understand the structure better. तो देखने की कोशिश करते हैं. We will understand the section of a muscle. Okay. Now each muscle is made up of many bundles of which are called fascicle. अब जैसे मैं ड्रॉ करते जा रही हूँ, आप समझने की साथ में कोशिश करना है. हाँ, ईच मसल इज मेड अप ऑफ मेनी बंडल्स कॉल्ड फैसिकल. ठीक है, तो अगर ठीक है चलिए और इनके अंदर भी ऐसे जो फाइबर्स लगे रहते हैं. ठीक है, you understood? So each such bundle is called a muscle fasciculus. प्लूरल को बोलते हैं fasciculi, ज्यादा को बोलेंगे fascicle. तो each muscle is made up of many bundles. ये जो मैं बना रही हूँ वो क्या है? It is, we can say, हम एक muscle के थ्रू एक section लेते हैं, right? So this say it is a section of muscle. और हमने अभी क्या डिस्कस किया? दैट ईच मसल हैज मेनी बंडल्स. ईच मसल हैज मेनी बंडल्स. जिनको क्या बोलते हैं? फैसिकल. ठीक है, फैसिकल. बट दिस इज प्लूरल. सिंगुलर अगर होगा तो जो बोलेंगे मसल फैसिक्यूलस. ठीक है, तो ये है क्या है? मसल फैसिक्यूलस. ऑल राइट, दिस इज क्लियर. ईच मसल is covered with a connective tissue layer called epimysium. तो ये जो है ये स्ट्रक्चर जो है इट इज कवर्ड लाइक दिस. वो ऐसे कवर्ड है. राइट, सो इट इज कवर्ड बाय अ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू लेयर विच इज कॉल्ड एपीमाइसियम. तो ये आउटर मोस्ट हमारा जो है ये है एपीमाइसियम. और ये एपीमाइसियम एक्चुअली क्या है? कनेक्टिव टिश्यू का लेयर. So it is a layer of CT. CT is connective tissue. ठीक है. Now each fascicle is covered by a membrane which is called perimysium. Each fascicle is covered by a membrane called perimysium. अब कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. तो ये जो इसका ये पूरा बंडल है दैट इज मसल फैसिक्यूलस. ठीक है, ऐसे बहुत सारे बंडल हैं मेनी जिसको हम मसल फैसिकल्स बोलेंगे. ऑल राइट, पूरा ही जो मसल है इट इज कवर्ड बाय अ लेयर ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू विच इज एपीमाइसियम. ठीक है, ईच फैसिकल माने ये फैसिकल हुआ. ईच फैसिकल इज कवर्ड बाय अ मेम्ब्रेन कॉल्ड पेरीमाइसियम. तो ये जो है that is perimysium. To be more clear, muscle fascicle हम इसको बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है, so that you don't get confused. Clear? हाँ. Each muscle fiber is covered with a membrane called sarcolemma. वो मैं अब जब डिटेल में पढ़ाऊंगी तब करा रही हूँ. And each muscle fiber is surrounded by a layer ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू कॉल्ड एंडोमाइसियम। मतलब इसका क्या हुआ कि ये सारे अलग अलग मसल फाइबर्स हैं, ये मसल फाइबर भी खुद अपने एक लेयर से सराउंडेड है, एक कनेक्टिव टिश्यू के लेयर से ऐसे सराउंडेड है, जिसको हम बोलेंगे एंडोमाइसियम। ठीक है, सो दिस इज एंडोमाइसियम। और एंडोमाइसियम भी है, वो भी इट इज अ लेयर ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू ओनली। राइट, सो अगेन वी रिपीट, ओके, अगेन वी विल रिपीट। और इंटरनली यहाँ पे क्या होगा, देयर विल बी दिस ब्लड वेसल्स एंड नर्व्स, वो सब होगा इधर। ठीक है, so there will be connective tissue, so blood vessels and nerve fibers. So here you can say connective tissue will have, there is blood vessels and nerve fibers are there. All right, again we repeat. If we talk about the section of a muscle, each muscle has many bundles which we call fascicle. तो ये सारे क्या है, fascicle हुए। सिंगुलर को बोलोगे fasciculus, तो ये fasciculus है अलग अलग, और सारे मिलके fascicles। ठीक है, each muscle is covered with a layer of connective tissue। ये पूरा ही एक मसल है, तो एक मसल पूरा ही एक टिश्यू, कनेक्टिव टिश्यू लेयर से कवर्ड है, जिसको हम बोलते हैं एपीमाइसियम। ऑल राइट, फाइन। ईच फैसिकल, हर एक ये जो फैसिकल है ना, बंडल पूरा का पूरा, दैट इज कवर्ड बाय अ मेम्ब्रेन, जिसको हम बोलेंगे पेरीमाइसियम। ऑल राइट, एंड साथ ही साथ ये याद रखना है कि उसके अंदर लगे हुए मसल फाइबर्स जो है, उसका भी खुद का एक कवरिंग मेम्ब्रेन है कनेक्टिव टिश्यू का, जिसको हम बोलेंगे एंडोमाइसियम। Right, so this is how the muscle is made. So when I say muscles, right, section through a muscle is made up of muscle fibers, और उसकी arrangement इस तरीके से होती है। Right, so now let us talk about the structure of skeletal muscle. Okay, so we are going to talk about the skeletal muscles. Already we have discussed it a bit in our previous lecture. So each muscle fiber has a multinucleated structure, and it is long and unbranched and all that we have already discussed. So we know it is long and unbranched, multinucleated. Right, this is what we have discussed in our previous segment. So let us just simply draw and understand. And remember, each muscle fiber has many myofibrils, okay, or you can say myofilaments. So simply अगर हम draw करें, जैसा हमने पहले थोड़ा समझने की कोशिश की थी, right? So we said it has like this, no? Like this kind of a stuff we had created earlier, जिसमें हम बोलते हैं that say this is the dark band, फिर इसको सपोज यहाँ पे भी बना देती हूँ, तो ये हो गया हमारा लाइट बैंड, ना, दिस वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर। तो अब इसकी डिटेल्स हम टेक अप कर लें, ठीक है। तो अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग दैट ईच मसल फाइबर हैज अ मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड साइटोप्लाज्म कॉल्ड सार्कोप्लाज्म, ठीक है। तो मैं इस साइड पे बनाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, साथ ही साथ लेबल्स करते जाएंगे सो दैट वी अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर। ऑल राइट, ओके। सो से मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड साइटोप्लाज्म कॉल्ड सार्कोप्लाज्म। ठीक, तो हम पहले वो बना लेते हैं। It is multinucleated, so I am showing these, and these nucleus they lie just below, you can see the plasma membrane. So it is this multinucleated condition, and we are creating the cytoplasm over here. So alright, so this forms the sarcoplasm. ठीक है, and these are the nuclei, remember that. So we'll keep labeling. Nuclei, and this forms the say sarcoplasm. मसल फाइबर के साइटोप्लाज्म को बोलना है सार्कोप्लाज्म. All the nuclei and the cytoplasm is peripheral, that is beneath the sarcolemma. ये ज़्यादातर इसके ऐसे नीचे होते हैं, right? So we are calling it in the center. You see, it's not too very dense. Nuclei are below the plasma membrane. So the membrane we call it is the sarcolemma. So this is the sarcolemma or the plasma membrane को sarcolemma बोलते हैं. Now each muscle fiber they have many say myofibrils or you can say myofilaments which are arranged in parallel rows. तो ये ऐसे parallel rows में लगे हुए हैं जिसको हम बोल रहे हैं myofibrils और myofilaments, right? To form alternating dark and light bands. समझे? तो ये जो ये डार्क बैंड जिससे बना है या लाइट बैंड जिससे बना है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? दे आर कॉल्ड एज मायोफाइब्रिल्स और मायोफिलामेंट्स. ठीक है, they are the myofibrils, and these myofibrils they create an alternating light and dark bands. This is clear? Okay. So myofilaments or the myofibrils, they are made up of what? Actin and myosin proteins. So these myofibrils comprise of myosin and actin. Both of these are what? They are proteins. Okay. So myosin and actin proteins, out of which we have to remember that myosin is the primary protein and actin is the secondary one. So this is the primary protein and this is the secondary one. Okay, remember. So how are now these proteins? ये तो हमने एक सिंपल लुक लिया था. अब समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि ये अंदर इसमें कैसे दिखते हैं, कहाँ कैसे अटैच्ड होते हैं, right? So towards the on both sides of the muscle fiber, okay, there is a Z line. And the actin filaments, actin ones, they make up the light bands, okay, I band, light band. They are, are attached on the either sides of the Z line. So first we will make the Z line. See, this is the Z line. Okay, so we'll also label this. So on either sides of the Z line are these actin filaments. They are thin. Remember, actin filaments are thin and are attached to the Z line on one end. So we'll now make those actin filaments. Clear? So as I said, they are present on the either side. So we'll make it this way. Correct? So this is actin. Same way we'll make on this side also. This label I'm a bit overlapping on this. Right? So this way the actin filaments are present. So I repeat, actin filaments are thin and are attached to the Z line. Okay? So we'll note that what is the I band or whatever. So this comprises our which band? The I band. ठीक है? This is Z line. This makes the I band. This is clear? Okay. The band of actin protein is called I band or it is called light band. हम साथ ही साथ यहाँ लिख रहे हैं. Actin is called I band or it is even called light band. Now we no more require this, so I am just trying to erase that so that I have enough space. Light band or we call I band. Why it is that? Because actin band is monorefractive in polarized light. Okay? Again I repeat, actin band is monorefractive in polarized light. Right? And so it is called as isotropic or I band. Light दिखता है, I isotropic. Alright. So actin is light, called light band, I band or the isotropic band. Now where is myosin? Let us take a look at where is myosin. Myosin is a thicker band, okay, and is present in between the I bands. That is, slightly the ends overlap. So this way they are present. We'll have to make it a little thicker. No? See, as you can see, they are thicker than the I band. Right, so this way there is actin, myosin. So this forms our A band. So this is myosin. You can see there is some part of this myosin which is overlapping with actin, right? And the central portion is completely not overlapping. So there also we have to pay attention to this. There are different labels for it. So pay attention. Okay. So myosin filaments, they are what? They are thick and their band appears anisotropic. Anisotropic. Okay? Anisotropic, and so they are called as A band or the dark band. They are called what? A band or dark band. Right? So this portion, the entire length of myosin, even जो overlap भी हो रहा है वो भी, ठीक है, that is counted as A band. तो हमारा A band जो है वो पूरा entire length of myosin, ये याद रखना है, हाँ, complete length of myosin forms what? Our A band. So this is our A band. If you want to remember, complete length of myosin. ठीक है, this is clear? Okay. Now, actin filament, as we said, have one end attached to the Z line and the other is slightly overlapping the myosin filaments, right? Because of its outer part of the A band is darker, whereas the middle part of the A band is lighter, which has only myosin. Clear? This middle lighter part of the A band is called as the H zone or the H band or Hessen's line. Mane. Now pay attention here. This band, okay, the smaller one which you can see, which I am trying to create, where only myosin, ये overlapping, myosin का overlapping part अगर हम छोड़ दें, तो बीच में अगर जब हम देखते हैं, then it has only myosin. Okay, so that is called as the Hessen's zone, H band, Hessen's line, H band. It is called Hessen's line. करेक्ट. कौन सा वाला पार्ट अगेन रिपीट कर रही हूं, जो पार्ट जहां पे बिल्कुल एक्टिन ओवरलैपिंग नहीं है, सिर्फ मायोसिन है, ए बैंड का वो हिस्सा, द पोर्शन ऑफ ए बैंड विच इज नॉट ओवरलैपिंग विथ एक्टिन फिलामेंट्स, which has only myosin, the central portion, that is termed as the H band or the Hessen's line. And तो ये क्या होगा, ये मायोसिन के जो बैंड्स हैं, फिलामेंट्स हैं, ये क्या ऐसे हवा में लटकेंगे? नहीं, right? They show a connection, right? And that is termed as the M line, जो इसके बीच से गुजरती है. So let us make that M line. So say this. Right? जो इसके एकदम बीचों बीच से गुजरती है, right? That is called as the M line. और M line का क्या फंक्शन है? Again I am repeating, it is a connection of myosin threads. Connection of myosin threads. All right, this much is clear, right? So this is a dark line found in the center of H zone or the H band, and that is called the M line, right? The distance between two Z lines means from here to here, the distance between two Z lines, right? That is called sarcomere. So from one Z line to another, this distance, that is referred to as what? Sarcomere. All right, we'll even keep that noting over here. Distance between two Z lines is called sarcomere. All right, and this sarcomere is the structural and functional unit of skeletal muscle fiber. You can say it is the unit of contraction, right? तो हम एक सार्कोमियर में हमने क्या इंक्लूड किया? वन सार्कोमियर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? सी, वन कंप्लीट ए बैंड, राइट, एंड हाफ, so two half I bands. So you can say one sarcomere is equal to what? Is equal to what? पूरा कंप्लीट एक ए बैंड, वन ए बैंड, right? This whole complete A band and half. So two halves of the I bands plus you can say 2 half I band. So that makes up our sarcomere. Sarcomere is the unit of contraction, right? You understand this? Again we repeat the whole portion, right? Few more things I want to add. That also we will do as and when we recall. Again we repeat. The skeletal muscle is a long unbranched multinucleated fiber which is made up of myofibrils or you say myofilaments. These myofilaments are the actin and the myosin filaments. They are proteins. Myosin is the primary one, whereas actin is the secondary myofibril. Alright. Now, where is actin located? Attached to the Z line. Each muscle fiber has such Z line. Attached to the Z line are found the actin filaments. How are actin? Actin are thin filaments and we also call them light, which makes the light band or the I band or the isotropic band. So they are placed on the either sides. Okay. In between there is this A band which comprises of the myosin filaments. Some portion, the ends of the myosin filaments are overlapping with the actin one. Correct? That you can see. But the entire length of myosin filament is called as A band. That is the complete length of myosin. In the center portion where there is only myosin present, correct? That portion is called as the H band or the Hessen's line. And these myosin filaments, they remain, these myosin threads are in connection with each other through a dark line which passes through the center of the A band, which is called as the M line, right? This is clear. Again we repeat, the plasma membrane of the muscle fiber is termed as or is referred to as the sarcolemma. It is multinucleated. The cytoplasm is referred to as sarcoplasm. Other than this, two more things I want to discuss in this is that is the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Now what is that? See, I am just simply noting it so that you just remember. This is the sarcoplasmic reticulum. That is the endoplasmic reticulum of the muscle fiber. उसको बोलते हैं sarcoplasmic reticulum. It is a reservoir of calcium ions. Okay, it is a reservoir of calcium ions. Reservoir of calcium ions. ठीक है, तो वो सार्कोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम है. And on the either side of this Z line are present the T tubules. On either side of the Z line are present the T tubules. What are T tubules? These are invaginations of the sarcolemma. So they are present on the either side of the Z line. Right? So these are the T tubules. T tubules help in the spreading of the impulse. Okay? Help in spread of impulse. जब भी नर्व कंडक्शन होगा, हाँ, मसल को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होने का सिग्नल मिलेगा, इम्पल्स मिलेगा, तो वो इम्पल्स थ्रू आउट द मसल स्प्रेड होना चाहिए. तो उसको स्प्रेड होने में ये टी ट्यूब्यूल्स जो है वो हेल्प करते हैं. राइट? सो द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू जेड लाइन is called sarcomere, which is the contractile unit of the muscle fiber, you can say. And the sarcomere comprises of what? It comprises of one complete A band. A band is made up of myosin. Two half I bands, right? I bands are made up of actin, right? So A band, remember A band is made up of what? Myosin. And when I say I band, It is made up of actin, right? So this is the structure of skeletal muscle. Now if we try to understand, try to take a 2D structure to understand how these myofibrils are arranged, if we take a section, then we get to see, let us draw that. Let us draw that. One myosin is surrounded by 6 actin filaments. हमने myosin blue से बनाया था, ठीक है? तो we'll use blue to indicate myosin. So say this is myosin. Yeah, these what I am making are the myosin. So these are what? Myosin. And we have used red to indicate actin. Is surrounded by 6 actin filaments. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Same way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Same way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what does this show? These red ones are what? They are actin, correct? So this arrangement tells us what? इससे हमें क्या समझ में आ रहा है? That one myosin is surrounded by 6 actins. Okay, and if you are talk about, if you हम इसका reverse बात करें, that one actin is surrounded by 3 myosin, right? One actin is surrounded by 3 myosin. कैसे? वो देख लो इधर. See. One myosin is surrounded by 6 actins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? And one, say, actin is surrounded by 3 myosins. So this is how these filaments are arranged and they make up the skeletal muscle. Hope children you all have followed. Thank you and Jai Bharat.